We are from Elementary Statistics Group F. Our title is the Application of Statistics in the Transportation Services, and we will focus on the UN student transportation to go back to their hometown during the midterm break. We are from Group 5, and these are our group members.
Hi, my name is Nurul Najwanie Fatiehah Binti Azmi. My track number is 279318. I will explain the background of the topic, which is transportation service. What is transportation service? Transportation service are activities and expenditure designed to assist the person to travel from one place to another. It's why transportation service are important. Firstly is to reduce traffic congestion. There are many factors that cause traffic congestion, including because of too many vehicles on the road at the same time. So the way for us to reduce traffic congestion is to use public transport. The second point is to shorten travel time. When we can reduce traffic congestion, the benefit that can be obtained is that our journey will be smooth and faster. The third point is to save on daily expenses. Public transport is one way for us to save because the ticket provided are affordable, especially for students. So, public transport is one of the main options for University Putra Malaysia students to move from one place to another place. Next point is to reduce air pollution. Air pollution is caused by smoke from vehicles, and when the number of vehicles increase indirectly, there will be severe air pollution, especially in cities. And last but not least is to reduce accident cases. Actually, transportation service is divided into 5 categories, which is a roadway. For example, roadway use a car, motorcycle, bus, taxi, and hehe. Second is airway, like flight. Next point is waterway, like ferry, and railway, like monorail, LRT, train, and KTM. Lastly is pipeline. Most University Putra Malaysia students use transportation service like bus, train, KTM, car, and motorcycle, especially to go home during the mid-sem semester break.
My name is Wen Quan, my track number 27298. The problems for our study include what types of transportation services do students use to go back for midterm break, such as bus, train, and so on, and how is the distribution of the transportation services. For example, what is the percentage for each transportation use. Therefore, the aim of our study is to collect the data on the types of transportation services used by students and the distribution of the data.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Rayvan Putra Widodo. My matrix number is 288992. Today, I will explain about the data collection. Our group uses the primary data method, which is the survey. The reason we use survey is the data collection process will be more efficient because we took our project in the same environment. The data also can be more reliable because we do our survey to a real person in a real time via Google Form link. Also, the respondents could also share the survey links to their friends. And for the sample and population, we took 380 UUM students from and the population is 30,670 UUM students.
The population for this study is a total of 30,670 UN students, and the sample is the randomly chosen 280 UN students. Descriptive statistics are the methods for collecting, organizing, analyzing, and summarizing data. They can be used to obtain the distribution of the sample for our study. For example, of the 380 students, 52.6% use the bus to go back, 26.3% use the train, and so on. This is the inferential statistics. Inferential statistics are the methods that use the result obtained from the samples to form a conclusion about the population. From the pie chart just now, the sample comprises students from all semesters. 52.6% of the sample use bus, and then therefore we can make inference to conclude that at least half of the UN students use the bus to go back during the midterm break. And then parameter is a numerical value that summarizing all the data of the entire population. The first parameter is the average cost spent by all UN students on the transportation to go back, and the formula will take the total cost spent by all UN students and divided by the total number of UN students. And the second parameter is the percentage of all UN students who use the bus as a transportation to go back. The formula will take the total students who use bus divided by the total number of UN students times 100%.
Hello, my name is Muhamad Alif Akbar. My metric number is 283698. In this section, I will explain about the survey and the way to overcome the disadvantage. Surveys have several drawbacks for their respondents, which are they are not comfortable giving an answer, so that answer they give are less reliable. Then they will feel afraid that their identity will be leaked, and they will also be afraid that the surveys will be used for purposes that are detrimental to them. Based on the situation, our group used a different way to make our respondents feel comfortable, which make the question to the point so they then don't get bored. Then we don't require our respondent to fill in their names or personal identification, and we can make sure our surveys used for the right purpose and will not harm that user at all.
Hello everyone, good day. My name is Erika Sari AL with the metric 2747192. In this part, I want to explain more about our progress and our data. In this, the first I want to talk about the variable. We have both qualitative and quantitative from the variable, and the nominal and the ordinal and the under qualitative category, where under nominal meaning that the variable has the characteristics of the population, and the ordinal meaning that the variable can be put into order position of the ranking. For nominal, we have the gender, caste program, transportation, and state of hometown. For ordinal, we have the semester and the level for classification. From the internal and the ratio are under the quantitative category, where there is no true zero for interval, but there is a real 0 point for the ratio. For interval, we have the time for the UUM student get set off to go back, and for the ratio, we have the egg and cost for the transaction.
So this is the QR code which is directly linked to our Google form. Feel free to scan to see our questions. And this is the list of references that we use in the part of background of the topic. And that's all from our group. Thank you for listening.